Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to trade support and resistance step by step. Most beginners know these levels but they don't know how to take entries. So in this video I will make it very simple. Support is a level where price usually goes up and resistance is a level where price usually goes down. Okay? Resistance is opposite of support. But remember, these levels are not exit lines, they are zones. The biggest mistake beginners make is they take a trade as soon as price touches support and resistance. This is wrong. You should never trade without confirmation. Okay? First of all, the biggest mistake is they take a trade as soon as price touches support or resistance. This is wrong way. Don't do that. You should never trade without confirmation. First strategy is rejection entry. When price comes to support or resistance, wait. If you see a strong rejection candle, then you can take a trade. For example, at support, look for buy. At resistance, look for sell. Yes, it's simple. It's very simple. At support, look for buy. At resistance, look for sell. I hope you can understand. This shows that the market is rejecting that level. Second strategy is breakout and retest. When price breaks the resistance level, it can become support. When price breaks support, it becomes resistance. Wait for the price to come break and test that levels again. Okay, I repeat this sentence one more time. Wait for price to come back and test that level again, then take your entry. Okay, always follow these steps. First one, do not trade every touch. Second is always wait for confirmation. Third is use higher time frame for strong levels. And last one, manage your risk. I draw support and resistance on 4-hour chart. Then I go to the 5-minute chart to find entries. This helps me to get better trades. So this is how you can trade support and resistance in a simple way. If you understand this, you can avoid many bad trades. If you like this video, subscribe for more simple trading strategies and don't forget to watch my previous video on support and resistance basics. Thank you for watching.